So if you want to place a trade, you're just gonna hit this plot sign here, and then you're gonna observe that we have 1.00 value here. That place is called lot size. That's where you put your lot size. So let me change it to 0.01. But before then, if you want to change your currency, if you want to trade, if you don't want to trade in Euro USD, you hit the dollar sign here, and then you can change it to GBP USD, or you can change it to USD/PY. So let's stick to Euro USD. So what's lot size? Lot size measures the amount you want to transact, you want to trade. It measures the amount you want to trade. So let's say you made analysis on Euro USD, that Euro USD gonna rise. That is, it's gonna rise. So if it's gonna rise, you would like to buy. So you're gonna have a certain target. For example, Euro USD want to rise to a certain level, but you just want to transact Euro USD. You just want to have a profit target of $10, and if Euro USD could make it to that $10, you just want to lose $10. So what I mean is, if it doesn't get to your target $10 profit, then if it goes against you, you just want to lose negative $10. That's to say, if you have a $100 account, you're gonna lose $10. That is, you're gonna have $90, or you're gonna gain $10. That is, you're gonna have a profit of $10 in the account. The total is gonna be $110. So this is where you're gonna input. This is where take profit and stop loss comes to be. Now, if you want to place your target level, $10 profit, you're gonna input the value here. This is where your target profit is. As you can see, this is moving because it's moving the TP, which is take profit, to this level. That is to say, if price rises to 1.13605, you're going to have $10, for example. So if price moves against you, which is stop loss, negative, you are willing to only lose $10. This is where money management comes to be. Stop loss. Now this is my stop loss, this is my take profit. Understand? So if price move $10 against my trade, where I execute my trade, I'm gonna lose $10. So if it's move toward my direction, which I predicted that Euro USD gonna rise, I'm gonna have $10 profit. So this is where you input your take profit, you know, and your stop loss level. Stop loss level. So let's see. Your stop loss. So there's a, using stop loss actually prevents you from, blowing your account, because you're gonna have this top level where, if this price goes against me, I'm only willing to lose this certain amount, and that's it. So if it goes to my favor, I'm willing to have this certain profit. That's where money management comes. And if you want to be profitable in this forex trading, you're gonna have a good money management. That's another topic on its own. So let's go and let's continue. So we have types of trade. We have types of orders. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. We have types of order. Now we have instant execution, which is the moment you just want to trade an instant execution. Instant execution has two type of order: sell order and buy order. So I'm just gonna hit sell. for buy. So this is instant execution. Now the market is closed because I'm doing this in on weekend, and we have pending orders. We have market execution order, which is buy and sell. They are instant order where you just buy at the current price, or you sell at the current price, and then you put your target level, which is your take profit or your stop loss. Then we have pending order. Pending orders are buy limits, sell limits, buy stop, sell stop. Now in MT4 mobile phone, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have buy limits, sell limits, buy stop, and sell stop. So let's switch it to buy limit. Now, if you for example, want to you predict the market going to rise when it reaches some certain level. When it reaches some certain level, that's when you use your buy limit. So when you get to that level, market is falling. So when you get to that level, it's gonna pick your order and then it's gonna rise. That's buy limit. While we have buy stop, while we have sell limit, the market initially is rising. So you made analysis that when market reaches some certain level, it's going to fall. So you place a sell limit order. When you get there, the market, pick your order and sell down. Buy stop is when the market is rising, and you made an analysis that when the market is rising, when it gets to this level, it will keep rising. So buy stop means I'm going to keep buying when the market reaches a certain level. The market will keep buying, so pick my order and keep buying. Sell stop, likewise, the market is selling, and then you made analysis that okay, market gonna sell up to this level, so when it gets to this level here, it's gonna pick your sell, and then it's gonna keep selling. So this is also a brief explanation. I hope you understand, but if you don't, I'm gonna show you on the next video practically on how you're gonna make use of this buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, and then how you're gonna execute a trade. But we are on weekend right now, so I'm not gonna do I'm not gonna be able to execute any trade. Let me show you. Buy. I'm just gonna hit buy now. Let's wait and see. You see, order has been placed in queue. Buy at a lot size of 1.00 USD. You see, okay, no connection because the market is closed. Actually, it's not. Euro as 1 point stop loss 00, take profit 0.00. I didn't put any value there, and that's how it looked like. So that is it about it. Now you've understand the basic of MT4 platform, and one more thing. Yeah, you've understand the basic of platform. Make sure you also subscribe to my YouTube channel Extra4Fx, my Telegram, free signal Extra4Fx, Telegram group gang Extra4Fx. If you have a question, you ask. See you guys later.